even though that we're living in the city, I guess it's a township. It's not quite a village, but yeah, it just feels like a small town. It still feels quite rural. I feel like I'm in a village. Now this is something that I thought I'll never see here, but here it is, just only a few meters away from my house. I'll just go get my bow and get some goat curry. Nah. belongs to somebody. Somebody's pet to help keep the grass down. Anyway, so over here, that's a hotel. So if you want to visit me, you can either stay at a hotel or we can sort out another accommodation. And to my right, we'll be going to Bangkok, and yeah, main town. So we just come to this road where it's flooded a lot, and it's a public road, the main road. So on the way, like going straight from here, is going to Bangkok. So exactly on this road, we'll be going to Bangkok. And we spotted some people fishing, and we're just going to go check them out. Just got to do a U-turn first. So that's on the other side where we just drive past, and we've spotted a group of people fishing just on this road. Coming up to it now, and we'll see what they have caught. Okay, mate. Let's go ask them.
Đó. Nhưng mà phải quân phải treo mà. Bố. Đúng các bạn.
Because they have the water like that, that's why it's a big steam.
Yeah. I've came to check this lake out again. The locals said that if you come here you'll catch fish, but I've just spoken to that gentleman over there, and he has caught fish, but they're about that big, and they're happy with it. But I still like the idea of catching a good sized decent fish. He said that if you cast it out further, because he doesn't have a Western style rod, he's just got a bamboo stick with a line down. He said if you cast it out further, you might get the bigger fish. But he has been catching, and I'll just show you guys what he's been catching. But just been looking around and just seeing which spot to go to, and seems like this is the spot right here. So this is the fish that he's been catching. Just a palm size, just a bamboo stick with a line and a hook. And I think he's using a worm as bait. Bucket of worm there. And he's got a few. Just enough for dinner.
There's one there, look. Let me see how many you got.
Got one.
One.
I'll get some more. Oh no, it jumped out. I need a bucket. Oh, there. Yep.
Daddy.
I've got an idea. Why don't you just put it in there, like, and then I'll tell you when to scoop it up.
Where?
It's here. Yep, scoop it up. Yay!
Yeah, you got it, Alicia.
It's out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it again. Just put it in there. Put it in deep too.
The small one.
What should we do with it?
The one that you make a feather.
Yeah, I know. A bit too small to make a fritter out of it.
You can give it to the
Chicken. I bring the chicken to my home because I can look after them a little bit better. And I've tried to look everywhere for a chicken coop, but this is the best that I can find. They don't really have chicken coops here, but they do have these weaved coops. Quite strong, quite steady, and it's got enough room for everybody. I mean, it's not as bad as a cage chicken, but there's plenty of room. They can walk around and things like that, so they're not squashed. I normally feed them morning glory, leftover food such as rice and the chicken feed. But I'll probably get somebody else to make me a chicken coop, like a proper, better one. But that should do for now. That's what it's like on the inside. And what I normally do is I go and cut some hay down. There's an empty land there which people have been cutting grass to feed their cows. Cut some grass and some hay, lay it on there, and then once it gets a bit dirty I move them over, push the hay over to here, which is empty, and yeah, that's how I keep them nice and clean.